Welcome to the historic island Île Saint-Louis in the heart of Paris, where the river Seine becomes your constant companion.
Look at this gorgeous, spacious salon with the 3 windows, 5-meter ceilings.
The boundaries between interior and exterior blur, allowing the soul of Paris to pour in through tall windows. From perfectly honed Calcutta marble to the quiet geometry of custom cabinetry crafted not to impress, but to allow space for stillness, reflection, and light. God is in the details, and here every detail aligns with that vision. Materials create aura, hold memory, and in this home, every finish, every surface was chosen with that intention, echoing history while embracing the present.
This is a 40 square meters. Ventilated space, the gym. You can utilize this for the gym, for the music studio. You can have dance parties here, workout, video games with your friends and family. This is really fun. But you know what's really fun and interesting about this place? Look at this. This is a secret door to a catacombs. It's actually right now a walled, but that's where it goes to.
Offerings of this caliber come along once in a lifetime.